Mic off करना चाहिए नहीं कैमरा ऑफ करना
Right. Good evening, everyone. Ayuban Dirpute.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, you all can switch on the camera. You all can switch on the camera. I want the camera on because I want to show you what you are doing. Apa sih mau cara kita balas nolnya? Bisa apa sih camera icon keragan? Right. Right. Elena, Ishara, Osandi, Praving, Hiyansa, තමයි පන්තින්නේ. Okay. Right. අද ගොඩක් තැන් වලට හයියෙන් වහිනවා. ඉතින් ගොඩක් අය මැසේජ් කරලා. අද අපිට පන්තියට join වෙන්න බෑ. හයියෙන් වහිනවා. වැස්ස මොකද කරන්නේ කියලා. ඉතින් එකම දේ recordings ගන්න පුළුවන් පන්තියට join වෙන කට්ටිය class system කරලා තියෙන කට්ටියට. අනිත් කට්ටියට කරන්න දෙයක් නැති වෙනවා. Right. Because we know every evening these days are heavy rain and thunder. So if you are stopping the class like this, so we can't continue the syllabus. नहीं अभी इकट्ठा करेंगे syllabus से खत्म करेंगे इवरा करेंगे barely वेना. So therefore we need to continue this class today as well. Right. So Asandi, what is the lesson now we are discussing? What is the lesson we discussed the last week? Today, I wanted to say this for the new student. මේක මේ අලුත් ළමයින්ට මම කියන්නේ අපේ පන්තිය මගේ නම මාධව සර්. ඔයාලට මාධව කියලා මාධව සර් කියලා කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. මගේ පන්තිය මේ පන්තිය හැමෝම එකතු වෙලා කරන පන්තියක්. ඒ කියන්නේ not only me, right? You also join this class. හැමෝම මේ පන්තියට සම්බන්ධ වෙලා ඉන්නේ. ඒ නිසා ඔයාලා මට උදව් කරන්න ඕනේ. You need, I want your help, right? When I ask, yes, Asandi?
We do estimation and rounding off.
Yes. It means today we have to start a lesson angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So we are talking about now for the new student, basic introduction for the new student. You need to switch on your camera, right? Why do you want to switch on your camera if it is possible? Because I can see your face and also I can see you what you are doing. So it is better. Online class.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. I am new to this class.
Okay, Elena. Yeah. Where from you, Elena?
I am from Anavilundava. Chilau.
Where it is?
Chilau.
Chill out. That means chill out. That the western coastal area in the top, no?
In Putlam district.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. You are learning in local syllabus, no? School is going to local syllabus.
Yes.
Right. And others who Isara. Isara, can you talk? කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් Isara? No. Yes, yes, Isara. Where from you?
I am from Kadavata, sir.
Kadavata. Yes, I think Seneth also Kadavata. Today he joined the class. Kadavata. Okay. What's your school, Isara?
My school is Nalanda College.
Nalanda College. Okay, good for that. Right. So another one, Pravinga. Yes, Pravinga. Where from you, Pravinga?
I'm from Moravaka.
Moravaka.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I didn't heard that place. So where it is located, Priyanka?
Deniyaya Matara.
Mathura. Yes, another. I think Tenujan also Mathura, no? Tenujan, what Mathura ne? Right. And another Hyansa. Hyansa where Pamripude.
Mahara.
I think it means the students spread the around the country. No, amma tanimma students la join the line. Okay. Right. We can start today's lesson. We can start today's lesson. We are talking about the last week we discussed estimation and rounded off. Right. Okay. I would like to give an exercise to you first. Right. Exercise का करला अभी पढ़ाएंगे हम. This is you need to round it off the numbers for the nearest multiple of 10. Right. I think that part we discussed in the last week. Check. I wanted to check whether you are in that knowledge or not. Right. In knowledge check in body I think Osandi and other students who Tenujan and other 2-3 students in my class today they didn't join the class because of the heavy rain. They all know that how to do that. Anyway, we'll check how to do this exercise, right? First, you need to put the date. Today date. What is the date today, Lena? Fifth of May. Right. Okay. Can you see the board all?
Yes, sir.
Clear now? Right. Okay. Right. This is. You can write down this question. You can write down this question. Round off the following to the nearest round off the following to the nearest multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. Right? Round off the following to the nearest multiple of 10. So now I'm not going to explain how to do this one. Right? Now I'm not going to explain how to do this one. You are the one need to try this. End of the all student has done this. We'll check the answers and then I will explain how can we get the answer. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sir, is it okay? Sir? You need to in the front of the computer or your phone or something because otherwise I'm asking every time questions. First one is 37. Second one is 45. Third one is 103. Fourth one is 197. Fifth one is just 6. Then again, sixth section is 478. Seventh is 593. Yeah, these are the corrections here. I hope you all can see the board well and you can note it down. Asandi, can you see the board well today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you have done this part at school, some part. I don't know if it's complete or not. But anyway, you can try this now. End of the part, end of the exercise, I will explain to you how to round it off these numbers to nearest multiple of 10.
Sir, I did my work.
Okay, we'll check now. And you can wait until.
Sir, I also finished my work.
Good, Elena. I also need to anticipate this class. If you have done this part, you have to say, yes, I'm done, sir. Yes, I finished, sir. So then I can understand what you are doing and join the class in attention, right? Tevuchan, why are you silent today? Have you done this now?
No, sir. Last question.
Okay, finish it correctly.
I am done, sir.
Who say that one?
Me, sir.
Okay, Yansa. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hyansa.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Hyansa. You also done, right? Wait. Okay, end of the first
I'm done,
term.
sir.
Okay, end of the first term. I will give a term test to you, right? So, I know you are new to this class, some students, but anyway, you have to face the exams as well, right? So therefore, you have to revise all the things again. Before the test, I will do the revision part for the first term, right? revision part before the test calling. If you have any issues regarding this, some lessons, some topics, we can talk them, right? Okay. So I hope you all done now. Ishara, did you finish now? And Pravinga.
Yes, sir.
What about you? You also done, no? Well done. Right. Okay, I'm going to ask the answers from the new students, right? Not the Mage Parana Goli only, right? So I'm asking the first one, Elena. What's the answer for the first one?
The answer for the first one is 40.
40. What about others? Is it correct? Ishara?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can raise your hand if you have finished this. If you done this correctly. Yeah, Asandi, okay, and yeah, other also. Elena, correct, and Teojan, correct. Okay. Kagada Varadi. Who got wrong on this one? I want to know that one. Harigatti Manodanne. Kagada Hari, Varadi. Who got the wrong for this one? Varadi Adamai Kela then. You all correct. No one get wrong. Oh, it's good now. Everyone is done. Okay. So, Pravinga, tell me the answer for the second one.
50.
Well done. The second one is 50. Right. Fianza, tell me answer for the third one.
100.
Well done. Well done. You all are good now. Right. So then tell me, Isara, what is the answer for the fourth one? I'm talking to you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
200.
Well done. So it's 200. Then Terujan, what is the answer for the fifth one?
10. 10.
10. Oh, Kammali 10 කියන්න බෑ Terujan. Yes, it is 10. නේ? කියන්න බණ ඇතුව. නේ? ආලා නිකන් උදේට බෙස්ට් ඔෆ් ඕල් දීලා වගේ පණ අරන් ඉන්න ඕන. නේ? Right. හොඳට දුවන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්න ඕන. Okay. So now the sixth one. Oshadi, what is the answer for the sixth one?
480.
480. බලන්න වෙන්නේ. දැනෙන්නවත් නෑ. Just it's an easy one. Last week මම දැක්කනේ හදාගන්න බැරුව හිටියා. But now it is okay. Good. Right. So now again Elena, 593.
The answer for the seventh one is 590.
590, yeah. No one can't sleep in this class. I'm asking a section strip from you, right? Then Pravinga, tell me this 8.
710.
700. So if I am pronounce your name wrongly or incorrect, you can correct me. No problem. Yes. Then Ishara, 828.
830. 13 on 30. Yeah, 830.
Yes. Now last chance goes to Fianza. Tell me, what is the answer for the 10th one?
1000.
1000. Yes. It means all you got correct, no? Hello, Mahari. Yes, I want to see your books now. Who's going to show your books first? Who's going to? Elena. Yeah, you have the chance. Show your books. Book to camera today. Yeah, good. Well done. Good handwriting. Well done. Then Pravinga. One is wrong. Which one? 700, 478. So okay, put it. Varadenna puluwa. Varadenna tu apita kavadaවත් හරියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා බය වෙන්න එපා වරදුනා කියලා. Right. So Ishara, can you show your book to us? Is it possible?
My camera is broken, sir.
Okay, anyway, at the end of the class, please send the photo, right? So, is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Hyansa, what about you? All right. Which one is wrong? Second is wrong. And yeah, and another one is wrong. Anyway, put it. Good try. Next time we can try to do all correct. Right, no problem. Devujan, your chance. Devujan. Yes. All correct. Well done. Asandi. Yeah, all correct. Good. Okay, I think you all. Yes. Well done. I hope. Right. I check your all books. Right. එහෙනම් අපේ ක්ලාස් එකේදී අපි පොත් බලනවා මොකද ඔන්ලයින් කියලා බලාගෙන ඉන්න බෑ. ගොඩක් ළමයි ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාස් වලට යන්නේ නිදා ගන්න පුළුවන් වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපේ පන්තිවල බෑ. මම ලයිව් පොත බලනවා. එතකොට වැඩ කරලම තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම නැතුව බෑ. Is it okay, Lina? ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ?
Yes, sir.
If you can't understand anything, you all, if anything you can't understand, raise your hand. From me, so at the same time, I will happy to answer your question, right? Okay, so now we can move to the lesson number. Next one, it is angles. You can write the topic angles. It is the new lesson. Today we are going to start. It is lesson number 7. Angles. All right. Angles. Angles. Pravinga. Oh, Elena. Pravinga. Yeah, Pravinga. Pravinga, tell me, in your home or in the outside, can you tell me an example for angle? Example object we can see in our outside, in our society, in our environment. Can you suggest me any example for the angles? Yeah, we can see the angle. Huh?
Right angle.
Yes. Rectangle. Yes. In a rectangle, you know, in this rectangle here we can see an angle. Well done. And Elena, you also can say example to me.
A book.
Well done. A corner, edge of the book, right book. A book. Yes, in the book we can see. Okay. Ishara.
A cone of a picture.
Yeah, corner of the picture. Right. So another different answer. I can. Who? Hyansa. If you can suggest me a different answer for better than this, everyone is talking about
The cone of the pencil box.
corner of the pencil box. Okay, another one. Can we tell? Yes. Ashandi.
A triangle.
Yes. Triangle. Good. Triangle. In a triangle, we can see smaller angles than these examples, right? Okay. So I think you all answered, no? Teuja. Tell me, Teuja, you also can say example to the angle. Tell me. Why are you silent? I need an answer. You can't silent in this class. If you don't know the answer, you can say, I don't know. You can't silent.
Sir,
Yes?
a slice of cheese.
A slice of cheese. Who told that? Is it Teujan?
Elena.
Elena. Elena, are you eating cheese now?
No, sir.
Alright. Okay. Okay, cheese. Well done. Cheese. Why we can use pizza? No? Pizza also same. Right? And also another example we can see for there. If you are in a house,
Pizza box. Pizza
if you
box.
are in the house roof, how is the visibility of that? It's just like this now. I think if you are in a the singles right house right there, we can see that kind of things roof. Okay, so you can draw this example in your book and write down, then identify the angles. Arya, just examples for the angles. Examples for the angles. You can draw these things. Please put if you are drawing in something in your book, use pencil, right? Use pencil, right? Okay, there are new friends to you, Pute. You can say bye. Say hello to all. Hello, hello. No? You can see that new friend, Elena. She's a new friend. And you know, Sandy is one, Sandy is the unknown. And new, yeah. Yujan also, you know. Say hello to all. Hello, Ken. Ah, okay. You know, right? Say bye. Bye, Ken. Hello. Bye. Have you done, Pute? If you have finished, tell me or raise your hand.
Sir, I did my work.
I have finished my work, sir.
Okay.
I am finished my work, sir. Sir, I am also finished.
Right. I hope you all done now. Is anyone writing? Anyone drawing? Yeah, silence means no one is drawing. Okay. So we can move to the next part. So now you know basically how to identify the angle. So we know these are angles. But thing is, Pute, in mathematically, we can say it's a corner of the book, slice of cheese. Likewise, we can't pronounce, we can't define the angles, right? Therefore, it has a correct definition. We need to practice that well. Okay. So, the angles normally formed by meeting two straight lines. When the two straight lines meeting together, they are create an angle. සරල රේඛා දෙක එකට මුණ ගැහුනට පස්සේ එතන angle එකක් create වෙනවා. When the two straight lines intersect or meet together, there we can see an angle, right? In an angle, the meeting point here, that meeting point we call what? Vertex. What is this meeting point? What is this meeting point? What is the name for the meeting point? You all can talk. Vertex. You all can talk. What is the meeting point of the straight line? Meeting point of the two straight lines?
Vertex.
Right? Vertex of the angle, right? Yeah. And these two straight lines are called arm. Arm. In a triangle, arm. These are what we call arm, right? So, yeah, tell me, what are the elements of the angle? What are the elements of the angle, Elena, now?
Arm and vertex.
Vertex and arm.
Yes, two arms and one vertex is the elements of the angle, right? Two arms and the vertex, right? Those are the elements of the angle. Elements of the angle. So here we can write the first one is vertex of the angle, and other one, second one is arms, right, arms of the angle. Okay, first you can draw this figure, then thereafter you can write elements of the angle and vertex of the angle and arms. Those are the main elements of a triangle. Right. Elena, you can write, you can draw Pute.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes. Then here.
format කියද්දි RN ඕනේ නේද?
Top. There it's a mistake. So don't write. Just you can write. Draw this figure and the elements. Then I will tell you thereafter to write this.
Sir, I did my work.
Okay, you all done? If you are done those, you can note it down the three star marks down.
Sorry, sir.
All as the Liveranam Pute, you can note it down these three star mark with the sentence in down. Pahal liya ganna puluwan star marks ekka.
I have finished my work, sir.
Okay, good.
I am finished my work too, sir.
All well done. Then just you can read what is the angle, what is the vertex, and what are the arms.
Sir, I did my work.
Good.
Sir, what should I do?
Usually, yeah, we just start the lesson of the angles. Thing is, you can keep 2 pages. I think 2 pages is enough now, or something. How many pages? How many pages we did today now?
Sir, මම කරන්නේ CR book එකක නෙවෙයි.
In normal book.
ඒකට මේ පිටු 3ක් යනවා.
Pitu tunak. That means slides tunak. Ned. 1 page and half.
Sir.
Yeah. Officially, you can keep that 3 pages. That means 3 sides. Then thereafter we can start. Just now we are talking about the angles lesson. There we learn what is the angles, and then we draw the angles and the main elements of the angle, two arms and vertex, how the angle is formed, the meeting the 2 straight lines, right? When the 2 straight lines is meeting, then create the angle. That meeting point we call the vertex of the angle, right? The vertex of the angle, and the 2 straight lines are called what? Arms, right? I will send the recording to you. There you can refer those, and you can then you can note the note in your book and keep 3 pages. It will be enough, right? So I'm going to erase the board now. So tell me, Elena. So what is the angle? How can we form the angle? Angles mean?
An angle is formed by meeting 2 straight lines.
Very good. So, Ishara, what is the vertex? Sure. What is the vertex? Pravinga, what is the vertex?
The meeting point is vertex.
Yeah, the meeting point of two straight lines, right? It is vertex. Okay, so then tell me, the Osandi, what are the arms?
The two straight lines are arms.
Yeah, the two straight lines are arms, right? Then you know something here, right? To create the angle, all the straight lines should be meet together, right? Otherwise, those are not formed as a triangle, right? Those are not formed as an angle. So it should be meet all the straight line together, right? So identify the angles, right? Then second questions you can write. Second questions you can write. Underline the angles. Underline the angles. Yes, you can underline the angles only here.
Okay, sir. I have done my work.
Sir, I did my work. Sir, I did my work. Sir, I did my work. Sir, I have finished doing my work.
Okay. Cicely, tell me the answers for this.
Sir, the first one?
Yes. The second one is the angle. Is an angle?
No, sir.
No, it is not mean here. What about the third one?
No, sir.
Elena, what about the third one?
It is not an angle, sir.
Ishara, what about the third one?
It is an angle, sir.
So why are you telling that it's an angle?
Sir, it has a triangle shape. Because two lines are connected together.
Yeah, Australia is telling it has angle shape. But Ishara is telling that two lines are meet, two lines are intersect. So what is the basic theory of the angle? Angle is meet two straight lines together. So you can see two straight lines are meet here. So according to that, Ishara's answer is correct. So third one is what? What? It is a. It is a. It is a. It is an angle.
Angle.
Right. Yes. You all understand now this?
Yes,
You
sir.
all understand this now? Ravinga, okay?
Yes,
Teuta?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right. This also angle. I think you got new things today. That only Ishara is the concern. The thing. What is the angle? We know angle is meeting the two straight line. Here it is meeting here. The point of this is the vertex of that one. So this also an angle. Well done.
Sir,
Yes.
my answer is also correct.
Well done, Asali. Well done. Sun is improving well now. I know when you are joining this class first, right? Firstly, you at that moment you didn't understand everything clearly, but you are improved now. It is really good. I want that with everyone. I know you are coming a different kind of situation, different kind of knowledge, different types of classes. But when after 2 3 months you need to come to the same place. හැමෝම එකම තැනකට එන්න ඕනේ. It is the way you need to do, right? අපේ ක්ලාස් එකේ එහෙමයි. මම එක ළමයෙක්වත් හලලා යන්නේ නැහැ. I want everyone join with me, right? Everyone. That's why I'm asking a question from again everyone, each and everyone I'm asking. I check the book of each and everyone because this is a group class I mentioned earlier, right? It's not a whole it's a group class. Here we have limited students, then I can check your all books. Good. Right. So now we can move to the next part. Then we can move to the next part. Here, this section is select, select the large angle. Select the larger angle. Right. The second section, you need to select the large angle. I will draw the first one. Here you can see A and B as the two angles. You can identify which one is the bigger. only trick action here as well. You can underline which one is the bigger. Of comparing the two A and B of the perception, there are two angles A and B. You can compare that, and also the second one also A and B. It also you can compare, and the third one also A and B, two sections there. You can compare that one too. In mathematics, Pute, you need to have the skill of the drawing, right? Without drawing skill, you can't continue the mathematics. Drawing also a part of mathematics. එනිසා සමහර ළමයි අඳින්න කැමති නැහැ. සටියුට් එකේ දෙන්න බැරි දානවා. අඳලා දෙන්න බැරි දානවා. එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. Because drawing is a part of the mathematics, right? Just think, when after you can become an engineer one day, right? So as engineer, and you must need to know your skill to drawing as well. Because if you have to design a house, if you design a construction, if you want to do some drawing, so therefore you need to have your drawing skill. That's why up to grade 6, you need to improve this bit and bit. First of drawing some straight lines, then there are some curves, there are some joint figures, then you can improve your drawing skills as well. Okay, I hope you all doing now. End of the part, you can say me, sir, I am done.
I am done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have done my work.
Okay, Lina. Teujan, why are you silent? When you are finished this, you can.
Sir, I have finished.
Okay.
Sir, I also done my work.
All right. So can we check the answers now? Right. So Teujan is the one now explaining the answers now. So Teujan, so tell me, Pute, what is the bigger one of the first section? I think in this class, only one Teujan, and also I hope you can listen well. Yes, tell me. What is the bigger one of the first? A or B?
Excuse me, sir. I can give the answer.
Wait, sir. I know you can, right? But I'm picking the students who are not responding well. Then yeah. Right. Devja, tell me.
B.
Huh?
B.
B. So why are you telling that the B is the bigger one? So it has a bigger angle, no? Compared to this. Right. This is the one. Okay, sure. Now, no, not this sure. I need one who. Hyansa. Hyansa, tell me, what is the answer for the second one?
A.
A. This is the angle?
Yes.
Yeah. Two straight lines are meet here. Then it has straight angle. So when you take the two angles up there, you can see this is the bigger one. Now, Ishara, now your chance. Tell me what is the answer for the third one?
That is the third one.
Yeah, third one. Which one is the bigger one, A or B? We are comparing these two with A. Which one is the bigger one? Sally?
The B.
You are telling B. Is the. Huh? Right. Elena, what about you?
Sir, I think it's the A.
You got as a, right? Oshandi, what do you think about the first or A or B?
The B.
You also tell him B. Pravinga?
The B.
B. Fianza?
A.
A. Ishara?
A.
A. Or B?
A, sir.
You are telling me. Answer is A. So why I am telling answer is A. You can see this is the angle I draw. Right? So according to this, it's a bigger angle, right? It's a bigger angle compared to this. It's a small one, but it has a bigger one. Look at this is how angle is drawing, right? This is how angle can be shown, yeah, right? This is the bigger one. Is this okay? Now, okay, I will Tisali and others you can note it down. The compared to those two triangles, A is the bigger one. Okay. Am I raised the board now?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to learn names of the angle. Names of the angle. Right. So we can write names of the angle. I mean, yeah, names of the angle. Names of the angle. Right. The first one is Pute. First you can note it down this topic. Then you can write first one is right angle. First one is right angle. The right angle is the angle just like adjusting. This is a circle, right? You know this is a circle. You all know this is a circle, right? I'm going to divide this circle in an equal 4 parts. I'm going to plot this one through this straight line, and also I'm going to draw again this one in a straight line. So you can see here, this create an angle, right? This kind of triangle is called what? Right angle. So exactly that means this line is erected like that, and also this line is there. This kind of angles is we call what? Right angle. Right angle. So you can draw these two figures. And you know, in a we got example earlier, corner of the rectangle, right? Square of the rectangle, corner of the square, and all the places we can see rectangle. Exactly those two are perpendicular. There's a name perpendicular, but I think you don't know that word yet, but you can learn that one word from grade 9, 10 there. What is the perpendicular? But here, the right angle is the angle, but exactly created like this. So here is what called what? Right angle. Right angle. Just draw. Also, I have given few examples for the identification of right angles. Those also you can note it down. Corner of books, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, corner of table, corner of the square. Those are the basic examples for the right angles. I think now you all can identify the right angle in your home and when you're school, when you're going somewhere. So there you can easily identify what is the right angle. Those places are right angle. And our human body, there is a right angle. How can you, can you show me in our human body, there is a right angle? Who can show me that? Who can show me that? In our human body, we can create a right angle. Where it is? අපි කාගෙත් එක්කාර ගිහිල්ලානේ කියනවා I am the fittest man, right? මම තමයි චන්දියා නේ. No one can fight with me. So why? I have power. I have power. So power is created what? Right angle. So this is the right angle, right? You all have power, right? You all have power. Power is what? Right angle. So can you show? Can you all can show the right angle to me? Yeah, show me. You all can. And then other Yeah. Wait. Keep like that. Okay. Right. And yes, Selena, Priyanka, yes, I saw your right hand. Yes, well done. Right, okay. So, did you note it down everything? How can we identify the square? All sides are equal. It means you can prove all sides are equal by drawing this kind of small dashes here. Okay. So rectangle we know opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Okay. And
Sir, I did my.
okay, you all done? You all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, I have done my work.
Yeah, okay. Right. So now we are going to remove this and we can learn another angle. It is acute angle. It is what? Acute angle. Right. So acute angle is the angle the smaller than the right angle. Smaller than the right angle. It is we call what? Acute angle. So the second one is acute angle. The acute angle is the angle
Excuse me, sir.
at which let's put there.
Outside this thundering and lightning, I will log out the class.
Okay, Vasani, right, okay. Right, but you can take the recording and do the homeworks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So acute angles. So tell me, what is the acute angle? Acute angle is the angle that's smaller than the right angle. You know this is the right angle. If the angle is something like this, it is we call what? Acute angle. Right. It is smaller than the right angle. That kind of angle is what we call acute angle. So you can see, right? Here is here. See. Look at my power, right? It's like what? It's a smaller one to the right angle. It is we call acute angle. So angle is like that. Yeah. Okay, you can draw this. Then you can write the definition. Angles which are smaller in magnitude. Angles which are smaller in magnitude than a right angle is known as acute angle. And angles which are smaller in magnitude than a right angle. Angles which are smaller in magnitude than a right angle. So what do you call of magnitude? When you finish the drawing, you can ready to the answer.
Sir, I have finished my work.
Okay.
Sir, I have finished doing my work. Sir, I finished my work.
Right. I hope you all done now. I'm going to erase this. Have you not draw this part? And thereafter, did you write down about the definition of the angles, acute angle? Right. So good. So then, the second one is straight angle. What is second? Third one, straight angle. Okay, what is the third one for today? Straight angles. Right? So, what is straight angles? The angles which meet two straight lines together like this. It is we call straight angles. The straight angles mean the angles which two right angles, the magnitudes, the sum of the two right angles. So kind of this we call what? Straight angles. Angles which are angles which equal in magnitude to two right angles. It is we call what? Straight angles. So, Ishwara, did you write in? Did you write the first thing about acute angle? So now are you writing this part? Straight angles as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what is the lesson which you are conducting at school these days?
Angle.
The same lesson, no?
Sir, I have finished writing.
Okay, Nitale.
Sir, I have finished my work.
Sir, I have also finished my work.
Right. So I'm going to erase this part as well. So tell me, Elena. Tell me, Elena, what is the acute angle? How can we pronounce that one?
An angle which are smaller in magnitude than a right angle.
Yeah, angles which are
Smaller in magnitude than a
small,
right angle.
yeah, smaller in magnitude than the right angle. It's we call what?
An acute angle.
So tell me, what is the straight angle? What is the straight angle?
An angle which are equal in magnitude to two right angles.
Yeah, angles which are equal in magnitude to the two right angles is we call what? Right, straight angle. So Ishwara, Pote, you also can tell me what is the acute angle? What is the acute angle? Ishwara, I'm asking from you. Teujan, tell me what is the acute angle? Oh, okay. Tisali?
Sir, acute angle, no?
Yes.
Angle which is smaller than magnitude than right angle.
Yeah, angle which are smaller in magnitude than a right angle, it is acute angle. The angles which are equal in magnitude to right angles is we call what? Straight angles. Straight angles. Okay. Then we can move to the fourth one. Right. The fourth one. It is the angle what? This angle is what? Huh? Is that the fourth one? What is the fourth angle? Why you are silent? Angle. What is the fourth angle? Obtuse angle. So this is the angle between right angle and straight angle. Right? It is the angle which so Lena, just mute that your one because otherwise it is right. Okay. Now the scene you can draw angles which are larger than a right angle but smaller than the straight line, straight angles. So this kind of angles we identified as obtuse angles.
I done my work, sir.
So finish my work, sir.
Angles which are larger than the right angle but smaller than the right straight angle. It is obtuse angles. It is obtuse angles. Teujan, so tell me, so what is the obtuse angle? Teujan, what is the obtuse angle? So why are you silent when I'm asking questions? Yeah, tell me. Hmm?
Problem, sir.
Okay, okay. Right. Tell me, he answer. So what is the obtuse angle?
Angles which are larger than a right angle but smaller than a straight angle.
Well done. Priyanka, Priyanka, Pravinga, tell me, what is the obtuse angle?
Angles which are larger than a right angle but smaller than a straight angle.
Okay, so you need to practice well everything, right? So next day when I'm asking those questions, straight away you have to say correct answer, right? Not lagging, not stuck in, right? You should have to take correct one. Angles which are larger than the straight angle, but smaller than the straight angle. So it is we call what? Yes. Listen. So what is the obtuse angle?
A angle which is smaller than larger than a right angle but smaller than a straight angle.
Okay, right. So now we can move to the final angles. It is we call reflex angle. Reflex angle. So it is the final one. Reflex angle. Right. These are the angles larger than the straight angle but smaller than the four times of right angles. These are actually larger than the straight angles, but smaller than the four times of right angles. We can a right angle hakarakata vada adu, but more than the two. We can a two right angles vada very. Right, so that kind of angles we call reflex angle. Reflex angles, right? So reflex angles are the largest angle in magnitude. Angles which are larger than the straight angle, but smaller than four right angles. Smaller than four right angles.
I have finished my work, sir.
Good, Elena.
I have finished my work, sir.
Normally, the new students are joining this class. In other time, they did some present like something song or their presentation is done. So, who is today going to do some presentations like your talent, singing a song? Who else? Who can do today for the new students? Elena, can you sing a song or poem or something? No. The answer? Ishara, Ishara, and Pravinga. You also, any volunteer can do today. Who?
Sir, I can tell an essay.
You can tell an essay, right? So others, okay. I will give chance to you to do essay. All right, I will give a chance. End of this part, right? You can ready. What is the topic that you are going to present?
Time spent for planning is an investment in our lives.
Okay, well done. Wait, right? End of this class, you can present that, right? Good. Okay. Tell me what is the reflex angle? So now, Fianza, what is the reflex angle?
Angles which are larger than a straight angle but smaller than four right angles.
Okay. So you know, this is what? This is what?
A right angle,
This
an acute angle,
is
an obtuse angle.
this one,
It is an straight angle.
this one.
It is a reflex angle.
So now Teujan, what is this angle today? Teujan? You have an internet problem, no? Okay. So now I will go to this with Tianza. So Tianza, yeah, Tianza, tell me what is this? Wait. You can't see me, no? Right, wait. So now tell me, what is this? Tianza, you're unmuted. What is this angle? Can't you see me? Okay, wait. I'm going to remove you a spotlight. Okay. So now tell me, what is this angle? Answer. You can't get support from anyone. What is this angle? Okay, you can practice well, right? So Ishwara, Pute, tell me, what is this angle?
Hello, sir.
Yes, this one?
I didn't hear the question.
The question is, what is this angle? I'm created with my hand. So tell me.
Right angle,
This one?
acute angle,
Yeah, this one?
straight angle,
This
obtuse angle,
angle. This one?
reflect angle.
Yeah, reflex angle. Right. What else next? Yeah, Tisali. Yes, Tisali. Tell me this what? Quick. My hand is right. Tell me.
Right angle,
Yeah, good. This
acute angle,
one,
obtuse angle,
this one,
straight angle,
this one.
reflex angle,
Reflex angle. Okay. Then who? Ah, Pravinga. Yes, Pravinga. What is this?
Right angle,
Yeah, this one.
straight angle,
One.
obtuse
Obtuse. Yes, tell me.
angle,
This
straight angle, reflex angle,
reflex angle. So then who yes. Your Teujan, can you have internet connection no? Issue with right. So now Hyansa,
Now
can
right.
you it's okay. Fine. Tell me what is this? Oh that. Hurry Yeah. Hyansa, y'all can tell now? Okay. Hyansa,
What did you say, sir?
you have to say what is the
What,
name
sir?
that I am creating here. This
Right angle,
yeah, this one,
acute angle,
this one,
straight angle,
yeah, this one,
obtuse angle,
this one,
reflex angle.
angle. Well done. It means you all know what are the angles and you know how to say the angles as well. Okay, but there. So today we learn about the angles, but we didn't finish the lesson yet. We have to cover small part next day. Next day means next is the Vesak day, no? Anyway, we'll try. We'll try to do the class at least morning, right? Better because the evening you will have to go to temples and things, no? So therefore, I'll try to arrange the class on next Monday in the morning session or Tuesday, right? I will inform to you, right? I think because the issue is the evening. I guess if the evening you need to go to temples and next dance in the so many things. So therefore, we'll try to do the class in morning session, right? Is it okay to all?
okay, sir.
Right. I'll inform the time on Sunday. when is the time that I'm going to conduct the class. Okay. So what new students? Tell me, Elena, what about the class? Is it okay? Is it good for
Yes,
you?
sir.
Is it
It is
interesting?
okay for.
Yeah. Did you learn something?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What did you learn?
I learned angles.
Yes, angles. And tell me what are the name of the angles?
Reflex angles, acute angle, straight angle, right angle, and obtuse angle.
Yes, of course. And we know how to say, pronounce the angle and vertices, arms, and everything we learn. But we didn't finish this lesson yet. When we finish this lesson, you need to know everything well. Today is the first day. I know it can be a hard for you, but I know other students, Teuchan, Osandi, and Sainet are my all students. They also can join here and they understand what we are talking well. And right. So I'm going to finish for the class for today. And I'm given some homework to you to do. You can do the homework and send those to the WhatsApp. Yeah, okay. You can note down the homework. Doing homework is your responsibility. And if you are doing the homework well, it means you can improve well. You can improve well. So, right. You can do the homework which right 7.2, exercise 7.2. You can note it down. X 7.2 and first and second section 7.3. First section and the second section. It's not much here, right? Only the three exercises actually. 7.2. There you need to do everything. And then 7.3, first exercise and the second exercise, first and second sections of the 7.3. Have you noted?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So then you can spread this message to your friend about this class. Class එක ගන්න චාලුවන් කියන්න අපි යාළුවා join කරගමු. Right? පන්තිය හොඳයි නම් share this message to everyone in your friend and they also can join the class and we can we can work hardly to get a good result. Right? Good result Okay, Pute. So I'm going to finish for the class today, and Anila, next day I will get your essay. So next day you can be ready. And okay, see you again the next Monday. Goodbye. I go on. Good night. Thank you for the joining the class.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.